na nagpa-accept sa inyo or to make you accepted? And also, medyo connected na rin doon, idikit na natin from Jimpy Alarcon of the Rewind channel. Out of all the projects that you've done in the past, what makes Incognito different? So yun. So bakit nyo tinanggap and what makes this different from other projects? Who would like to answer first? Mr. Baron Geisler? Yes.
Yeah, for me it's very new to me to really open my heart sa cast, sa crew. Everybody na mula sa writer, director, and then because of this show, mas maiyak ba? Mas nakakuha ko, yung mga kasama ko, hinihilan nila ako pataas paakyat. And they're really, like, kay Direct Lester, the entire team ng Star Creatives, nung miniting nila over this show, they said, Baron, you know, we just want to help you straighten out your life, and we're here to support you. Tapos, bonus pa yung nagtutulungan kami, may relationship talaga kami sa isa't isa. Like, nung I flew to Japan to shoot a movie, message sa akin si DJ na, oh pare, ilipad ka, huwag ka magkalat dyan ha. That really meant a lot to me, di ba? So nakita ko na sobrang laki rin ng changes ni DJ, mature na rin siya. And then si Kuya Ian naman is my mentor, big brother, na kapag may mga questions ako about life, napaka-deep ni Kuya Ian. Kasi sa age, di ba, wisdom Puno-puno na wisdom. Peace bro, pareho tayong, dito, medyo may edad. Tapos, yun lang. For me, I just want to continue doing my best, giving my all, to be a dependable actor, and to just open my heart sa hindi lang sa show na to kasi nadadala ko yung good attitude, manners, behavior sa iba pang mga nakakasama kong production. So I really am grateful sa Star Creatives, ABS-CBN, Direct Lester, everyone. I love you guys, sa buong cast. I love you guys.
Hold on. Parang iyak na
Oo nga, ibang-iba
Very nice one.
talaga. Yes, ibang-iba yung project na to. That's what makes it different for Mr. Baron Geisler. Yung love talaga, even beyond work, di ba? Andun yung care and andun yung
Basketball
support.
nga, di ba? We play basketball nga
Yes.
between shoots.
Gusto ko
So
doon
may
hirap pataas.
accountability kami sa isa't isa. That's what I love.
Thank you, Baron. Appreciate it. I'm sure everyone will, remember those words coming from the heart.
Right? Who would like to answer next? Kung bakit niyo po tinanggap ang project na to and what makes it different from your past projects? Maurice?